That is funky. Oh man. Welcome to Get Offset. My name is Emily and I saw what you did today. You did something nice for someone. Good on you. I bet it made you feel good. At least I hope it did. I know that sometimes even when I feel bad, doing something nice for somebody else really makes me feel better. Does that mean I'm selfish? I don't know. Anyway, I'm here with the Earthquaker Devices Aurelius. It is a tri-voiced chorus that's really easy to dial in. They have another chorus C machine and it has a lot going on. You can really fine tune that baby, but if you want something easy, versatile, this is a great choice. And it has presets, 6 of them in fact. As far as I know, it is the first Earthquaker Devices pedal in this smaller form to have those presets. So that's really cool. Heads up, Earthquaker sent this to me to demo, so thank you all very much. Let's go ahead and get into it. I'm playing my Tuna Tone Teeny Tuna. I'm sorry, Layla, I don't know where the knobs are. I'm using the Benson Chimera plugin from Mixwave on the Bright Amp setting, because I like it. So the V setting, this is a chorus that can also be a vibrato. It's not uncommon on choruses to have it so that the mix or depth is all the way up, it becomes a vibrato. This is the same, balance all the way up, it becomes a vibrato. Width controls the amplitude of the LFO and determines how wide the pitch modulation will sweep. So you can really hear the vibrato on it, and you can also hear that the rate is naturally pretty quick on this one. Turn the width up. I really like this setting for almost like more staccato-y things. I really feel this on like staccato-y, faster things. I think it's just like that rate is, you know, true to form, very fast. Very rubber bandy if it's the vibrato mode. That's cool because that's still a vibrato, but you can make it a little bit less deep, wide. Is that how it goes? Andy Summers had huge hands, dude. That's about as close as I've gotten. And that kind of sounds like that to me. I mean, that's what that is based on the CE1, and that's what Andy says he was using. That's also what Wendy Melvoin says she was using in Purple Rain. I can't get like a sound that sounds really a lot like that to me, because people always do say it. They think she was using a like BF2 flanger on a more chorusy mode. I'm inclined to agree because it's not bad, it just doesn't sound right for Purple Rain to me. That brings us to C, which is a flangery chorus. Again, rate controls the LFO, balance controls the level of the modulated signal, and width controls that LFO amplitude, and it determines how wide the pitch modulation will sweep, just like the previous mode. The manual also says higher width settings have a more pronounced flanging effect. When the width control is turned past the center point, feedback is gradually added to make the flanging effect more prominent. So let's start with that kind of low, but firstly, I want you to listen to the rate. I'll turn the width up so you can really hear it. So this is the vibrato mode. That's much slower and much more sweeping, and I really like it. That's more of what I think about when I'm looking for a chorus sound, though the vibrato is fun too. I love a flangey chorus or a chorusy flanger. Let's play with that rate, get it up a little bit. Get over here. That's kind of what I think about when I think of that Nirvana tone. Justice for flangers. Now let's check out that rotary mode. If you're familiar with a Leslie speaker, then you're familiar with what this kind of effect is. There's like that whirling horn, and if you want more horn sound with width, you go all the way clockwise. To the left, aka counterclockwise, it's more of the woofer. Do I say woofer weird? You get really pulsing sounds when you crank the balance. Ooh, I was gonna change it, but I like that. I wonder if I can do that better. That is funky. Oh man. I'll be honest, I came into this pedal really thinking that the C setting, the chorus with the flanger, was going to be my favorite. But that rotary, maybe it's because I don't do it a lot. I don't use a lot of rotary. I'm really feeling that. I think that sounded great. And you know what? I don't have to choose one sound because there are 6 presets and it's really easy to save them or calling them. It's just a matter of bending over and touching the knob. So no like fancy footwork required. Honestly, I prefer presets in a little rotary dial like that anyway. I don't need a ton of them. I don't need 128 presets. And for that one especially, I didn't use the expression control, though this does have that. I think the rotary, especially with rate kind of making it go faster, would be sick, would be really, really, really cool. Highly recommend trying that out. I know that I am going to. And I'll be honest, there are vibrato sounds in this I'd want on my board. There are normal chorusy sounds I'd want on this board, and I really like that rotary stuff. I can imagine getting like 2 presets of each, having this on my board. It's going to unlock a lot of possibilities for me in a live setting that otherwise, like, I have a chorus on my board and it does one thing because I don't like fiddling with settings in between songs. So I can really see this going on my main Sunday Crush board. It's just that good, what can I say? So thank you again to Earthquaker Devices. Thank you for watching and doing a good deed for somebody today. You brought a little light into somebody's life, and that might be mine. We have a Patreon at patreon.com/getoffset. We also have merch at getoffsetpodcast.com/shop. Oh yes, Patreon, $5 a month, access to our exclusive Discord server. Very fun place full of wonderful people. Yeah, you can like, comment, subscribe if you're watching in the premiere. You can leave a super chat. If you're not, you can still say thanks via a button down there somewhere. I think. Thank you to everyone who's done that. Please consider using the affiliate links found at in the video description. I really like it when people use those. It makes me feel good. It costs you $0 extra, but it's a great way to support the channel doing something you were going to do anyway. So hit those up. Again, like, comment, subscribe. Until next time, thanks for watching. Thanks for understanding. My name is Emily. Goodbye.